Last week was massive. We obviously had the rate cut. The economy has slowed, and that's obviously the reason the RBA acted. For us in real estate, what we've been able to see is that the days on market are currently sitting at about 60 days. A year ago it was around the 34-day mark, so there's definitely, it's almost double. Vendors discounting on their prices, up about 0.5%. It's currently sitting at about 4.7%. We tend to see this when the average days on market are high, so that's pretty normal. Property sold in the last 12 months is also down about 10% on the previous year, so that makes sense as well. Most of the damage in the economy, if I'm being honest, is in and around the housing markets, hence why the capital is coming for the Australian economy. It has been unleashed that they're going to try and help housing in particular with the investment, the interest rate cut, tax cuts. The first round is due to start on the 1st of July for taxpayers earning up to $126,000. It still needs to pass in Parliament though. Locally at the moment what we're seeing is that properties from say 300 to 400 bracket in our area are walking out the door and there's strong demand. Obviously entry-level buyers for both investment and for their own homes. The bracket that we're seeing is probably most hot and of interest to us at the moment is sort of high 400s to say mid 5s. We're getting strong demand in there and we're turning over that property really quickly. If you do have a house, say 6 to 7 to 750 that you're thinking about selling, if we've got strong demand in that around that 5 to 550 mark, naturally the sellers of those properties are going to be looking for the next thing. So if you are contemplating, it might be worth having a think about. The suburbs that we're seeing at the moment are the most active and the fastest. Aspley, without a doubt, Chermside West. We're seeing pretty good activity in Geebung, and obviously Wavell Heights is still really strong. So they're the key suburbs that we're really seeing a lot of action in at the moment. That's it for this week. Look out for us on Facebook, Instagram Live. This week we go live every Friday between 3:30 and 4 o'clock. We're talking everything contracts this week. If you've got a question, feel free to jump on and ask it. I'll try and answer it at the time. Thanks for listening and we'll see you soon.